All right, so this is my program. Okay, so I have my server here and it does run on port 3000. So I can look this up by saying node server.js and then it opens up in port 3000 locally. So I can just click here and then the API loads. So my API basically is a personal expense tracker. So here, it's a simple and efficient RESTful API designed to help users manage daily finances. So I utilize MongoDB and hosted it on Render. So the core features here is create, read, update, and delete expense records. So um, the other part of it I haven't been done yet. This part because it's not part of my on the rubric right now. But I think I would over the course of the week I am going to expand and make it enable this feature. But for now, I'll just proceed with what the program does. So up here, I can just load up expenses, and then of course all my expenses are in here. So it returns the ID which comes in directly from MongoDB, and then the title, the amount, the category, transportation, description, and date. So I have here in my file organization, of course, I have my controllers, I have my routes, and I have my data. So this is where I have my database, um, my database functions. So I have the .env file where I hid my MongoDB URL. So this doesn't actually go get uploaded into GitHub. So I did the same thing with the in Render. So I also have a git ignore file here that hides this. So I'll just proceed to what my API does over here. So I am able to like directly check individual expense, particular expense, look it up using the ID. So I also have um, the REST client, which I can actually use to access my API endpoints, which you can see all of those here. But then for the purpose of the class, I was asked to use Swagger. So this has been loaded up on it's been loaded up on um, Render, so it has a live page. So if I come here, let me quickly load up MongoDB. So if I come here, this is it. CSE 341 Project 2. So it's been deployed and everything is working as expected. Okay, this is signing in. And then I can just quickly click on this and access the link directly here. And once I do that, I can find, oh, sorry, that's my GitHub. And this is the link, yes. And then I'm just going to wait for it to load. So here, so here is my data. So what I did basically was create a new collection under the database I created in the previous um, work test. So I just created a new collection called expenses. The previous one was called contacts. So I have my expenses here, and then so it on render it loads up. So I could just say something, the same thing basically. This time around I'll just go straight to the Swagger, and then with API docs, I click on that, it loads this up. So I can check this, try it out. So everything is working as expected, and then expenses. So this is expected to pull up all of the expenses I have there, which is basically just three. Oh, there's power outage. Three, and then I I have another endpoint, um, the post where an expense can be added. I will just proceed with that. So this is what is expected. Title, amount, category, description, and date. So I'll just try that and make sure it's working. Try out. Okay, so what I want to do here, I'll just edit this. So title, let's call it mm, movie tickets, movie tickets, tickets. Wait, that's bad. Amount, let's say it's 34.98 dollars or whatever. Under category, I want to call it entertainment, and then description, purchased a movie, purchased movie tickets, purchased movie tickets for myself and my best, let it back, best friend. So dates can be anything. I'm just gonna say 2026 May 2026 May, yes, 05. They should be on the 12th of May. That's just that's just random. So if I execute that now, so this is it. I can quickly just come up to this point and then run this all over again. Clear and then execute it one more time. And then I can find it there. Movie tickets has been added and the price and the entertainment and everything. So that has been added. Oh, I noticed there's a problem. There's a problem. So I don't think the amount should have been a string. So what I'm going to do in essence is I'm going to update that particular record. So I'll just come over here. I'll come here, copy this ID, and then that'll move me to my next endpoint. Yeah, I'll call it first. I'll call it that particular one over here. Execute. So I have it is pulling out here, and then I'm going to use put to update it. So by doing this, I can call it. After that, I will just update it. This gives me a little stress sometimes because I don't think I have mastered this. I'm just going to copy. I don't know if this is the right way to do it. I'll just copy it here, come here, paste, and then remove this this stuff around here and try to execute it and see what happens. Okay, I think it should be working. So I'll just I'll just come up here and run this again, clear, execute it again, and let's see what happens. Okay, fine. So it has been added. So that has been updated. So the last endpoint is delete for now. Delete. So I'm still going to delete that same entry. Just come here, or maybe something else. Let's pick up Microsoft 360 laptop purchase. Yeah, let's get this one. So from here, I could just try out right here and execute. So this should be deleted by now. If I return back to this port and check up here, where is it? Okay, so cancel color. I was supposed to clear this. Man. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll just try it out again, execute it, and voila, it's been gone. So I no longer have that particular entry. It's gone. I think that was laptop purchase. It's no longer here. So I think everything expected of me has been has been properly done by now. So I'm just going to close. Just going to close this. Uh, and then head over to this. Everything here is ready. And push to GitHub. So I think that's the end of this recording. Thank you.